Greetings from Epic Multispecialty Hospital. I am Annie Varghese, Nursing Superintendent here at Epic. May 12th is celebrated as Nurses Day every year all over the world. It is the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, who is considered the founder of modern nursing. Nurses are the cornerstone of healthcare system and a driven force in the country. There is a saying like that, in the hospital, without nurses is the building without a foundation. The theme of this year is our nurses, our future, the economic power of care. The theme emphasizes that the crucial role play of nurses in the healthcare system and broader economy. They not only providing the essential care but also contribute significantly economic growth throughout their skills and education and dedication. So I would like to wish all the nurses for their unwavering dedication, expertise and compassion. Happy International Nurses Day to all the incredible nurses.